Cruising the land here. As you can tell, the time of season, it is Halloween, but this video is timeless. So I want to show you the products I used to put on a vehicle to detail it, and it won Best in Show, People's Choice, meaning the people voted and said this is the best truck. And no, it's not this one with Skelly driving. It's this one, my buddy's FJ40. So this is one sick truck. That color is like the Porsche Fortis I think it's called, or it's just a custom color. And this thing is just badass. And it's not just that it looks great, it's not a mall crawler. This thing has been to Rubicon, this thing's been to Doozy Ursham, this goes everywhere. So all the toughest trails that the US has to offer on the West Coast, this thing has conquered. Now, what did I use to make this and help my buddy win Best in Show? Look at the tires. These Trepadors have been muddy, have been dirty. Look how beautiful they look. And after coming off the trail, we hose it down and it looks just like this, and you do a little touch up. No Armor All on that. Look at that paint. Look at all the powder coat. Look at everything that's either plastic or powder coated. We use Trim Coat. So it makes things black again and it makes it last. By the way, I did it on my truck too. I just don't have the bragging rights. I didn't win. Actually, apparently I was in second place, maybe just a few votes behind my buddy's rig. So consolation knowing that. But both were detailed with the same products. So let's get to that. Let's show you. But just look how awesome that is. Look at the wheels. So you notice they're not like slick, oily, wet looking like Armor All or some products can make it look. They just look black, new, and perfect. And guess what? He just washed his truck. He didn't have to bother doing this. We did this 2 months ago. Still looks great. All right. Look at that paint. So we also used on the paint, you're going to see it here in a second. It's called paint sealant. It's like a ceramic do-it-yourself. It's easy to use. Look at that. Even his King shocks, we used the Trim Coat on the blue here. This didn't even look blue. We brought it right back up to life. Just looks phenomenal. Everything that's powder coated, we put the Trim Coat on this. It looks like it's freshly powder coated. Look how awesome that looks. All right, here's the products. Now there'll be links. You can go to Amazon, you can buy it. I've been after these guys. I have a video on Trim Coat that's like almost 500,000 views. Everybody goes to Amazon. Yes, do I get something on Amazon? 4%, it's pennies. It's really not worth it, but people are loving it. Read the comments. I'll put a link to this video as well to show you live how it works, because here we already did all the work. You're just seeing the results of a Best in Show winner. Oh, by the way, that Best in Show pulled in $3,000. So thank God I had a hand in detailing it, right? My buddy took care of me. So Trim Coat, that's for everything black plastic or powder coat. Paint sealant by Cerakote. This is on all the paint. Look just how beautiful that paint is. You think you're looking at the sky? That's the paint. That's just the reflection. And then last but not least, tire coat. Throw away your Armor All or whatever else you're using. This is long lasting. It's like hydrophobic. Water just comes off and then it's just black. It just looks clean, brand new, not wet look. I'm not a fan of the slick. And there's no sling. No sling goes on your car. So keep an eye on the description. I'm asking Cerakote to put a package deal together, save you some money where you can get everything. By the way, the tire coat comes in wipes, 10 wipes. I say get this. This is what I get now. So it is a 4-ounce bottle. It's worth it because you're gonna do your son, daughter, grandma, wife's, mistress, everybody's car, right? You're gonna detail it and help them, and they'll be amazed. Like, not that this FJ40 has it, but you know the plastic here that most modern cars have, this cowl, or you know where the windshield wipers usually are, that fades. Look at your car. I guarantee you it looks chalky, it looks faded, and you're like, it's done. When you put this Trim Coat on, it brings it black, like brand new again. It's crazy. It's so fun to do, and it lasts a long time. So keep an eye on the description. There'll be the Amazon links. There'll be a link to this video. I'll put a link to a tire coat video where you can see it going on, and also the paint sealant. And then if Cerakote ever gets their head out of the sand and puts together a package deal, that you can go right to their website, then hoorah, I'll put the link in the description, and you'll see it. It'll be at the very top. I'll actually say, hoorah, they did it. But there it is. That's what a best in show vehicle looks like. That's what we used. And let me tell you, some of the vehicles in this competition were fresh out of the body shop, fresh off of paint, brand new parts, brand new everything. We hit the Cerakote underneath, by the way. Everything that was black and powder coated or what have you, we hit it with the Cerakote trim, and it just looks amazing. So Cerakote, you've probably heard them. They do firearms. They do, you know, to paint metal, things like that. They are prismatic. They're the powder coat guys, and they're a chemical company. They are a surface protection company. They're not a car detailing company. They're rubber surface protection, powder coat, paint, plastic. So it just so happens they're the very best. And it's not their, even though it says ceramic, don't be fooled. There's a lot of ceramic products on the shelves that have SiO2. This is not SiO2. This is a true ceramic polymer, totally different. I've had on some of my videos detailers saying, oh my God, I can't believe you didn't put isopropylene and you didn't prepare your surface and this and that. I'm like, dude, this is not the same product you're used to using. And none of them have heard of it or used it. And I guarantee you, the second they do, they're like, oh my God, you just saved me hours and hours and hours in my detail, and my customer will be stoked at the results and not know the secret weapon. That, my friends, is the secret weapon. I'm not a detailer by trade. I just take care of my own cars. I love it. It's more of a passion for me. I detailed my friend's car. I'm telling you, if I did detail people's cars, they wouldn't be able to afford my time. That's why I don't do it. I just do my own. So there you have it. Tonight we're going to a Halloween Toyota event, so that's why Skelly is driving my FJ40. Just got to be careful because that guy's got a death wish. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and comment if you try these products. If you know what they are, or if you're trying them for the first time, definitely comment and let us know if you win your local car show event. All right, as always, happy trails, enjoy, and subscribe for more cool tips, ideas, things that I discover. I love to pass on. All right, till the next time.